heart was broke. I filled your cup until it overflowed. Took you so far to keep you close. I was afraid to leave you on your own. Said I'd catch you if you fall, and if they lie, then fuck them all. Then I got you off your knees, put you right back on your feet, just so you can take advantage of me. Tell me how's it feel, sitting up there, feeling so high, but you're far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up there, being in the sky. There's